Okay, friends, we're going to do our interactive math journal activity for today. So I have out my math journal. Oh, that light is too bright. I'm going to turn that off. And I have my poem for the number 2, around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. So I'm going to open my math journal and I'm going to turn past my apple and my 1 poem and my 2 pencils. And I'm going to get my glue stick and I'm going to glue in my number 2 poem. So remember, just a dot, not a lot, and I'm gluing in my 2 poem at the top. All right. Now, friends, I want you to practice this poem with me. Ready? 2. Around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. All right, friends. Now, just like we did for the number 1, we're going to practice writing the number 2. Ready? So we're going to go around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Then I'm also going to practice writing the number word 2. Ready? T, W, O, 2. Then remember we learned how to draw it with a tally. So a tally is just like a line. So for the number 2, I'm going to draw 2 tally marks. 1, 2. And I'm also going to show 2 dots. Ready? 1, 2. Then I'm going to show 2. So I'm going to use 2 stickers. 1, 2. Remember, if you don't have stickers, you can glue something in or you can draw another picture. Okay, so let's look at our 2 poem again. 2. Around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. So I wrote the number 2. I wrote the number word 2. T, W, O. I showed 2 with tally marks. 1, 2. I showed 2 with dots. 1, 2. And I put 2 stickers. 1, 2. Okay, friends. If you did not already do this with me, go ahead and take some time now to do your 2 poem.